हेलो, गुड इवनिंग, प्रेज द लॉर्ड, वणक्कम, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम सभी को, साक्षात प्रणाम. माई सेल्फ डैनियल पीटर. टुडे आई am bringing you about the videos about the piston engine systems, components and parts. Okay, now piston engine. What piston engine is? Piston engine consists of a piston engine, a propeller and a crankshaft. Okay, what happens? The engine purpose is what? It is used to generate the power and rotate the propeller. Okay, now in the propeller there is one system. This is called as your spinner. This is called spinner. It acts as a fairing, okay, to reduce the drag. Okay, now in the case of propeller aircraft, there we do a system called as NTS, negative torque sensing system. That is called as NTS, negative torque sensing system. Like the propeller, the RPM is propeller aircrafts, the RPM of the propeller is controlled by a mechanism called as a governor. As I discussed about governor on the recent videos, on the previous videos, so please see my channel. NTS, why the setting is done a high pitch lower RPM? The reason is what? Suppose in the case of low pitch higher RPM, if the higher RPM will be there, the airflow will be more. Suddenly जब भी एयरफ्लो ज़्यादा होगा तो जो एरोडायनामिक फोर्सेज एक्ट करते हैं प्रोपेलर पे, जो सेंट्रीफ्यूगल ट्विस्टिंग फोर्स, एरोडायनामिक ट्विस्टिंग फोर्स, बेंडिंग फोर्स, टॉर्क फोर्स, twisting forces, so this can damage the propeller and it can decrease the efficiency of the propeller की efficiency को reduce कर सकता है. so इसीलिए negative torque sensing system में क्या करते हैं हम, high pitch lower RPM को set करते हैं. और एक reason है, what happens, suppose in the case of negative torque, this is a condition in which as general the इंजन रोटेट द प्रोपेलर. इंजन क्या करता है, प्रोपेलर को रोटेट करता है, पर कभी कभी ऐसी कंडीशन आ जाती है कि प्रोपेलर इंजन को रोटेट करता है. तो दैट्स वाई वी यूज अ सेटिंग कॉल्ड एज NTS, नेगेटिव टॉर्क सेंसिंग सिस्टम, हाई पिच लोअर RPM. नाउ दिस इज द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ अ कैमशाफ्ट एंड द क्रैंकशाफ्ट. Now crankshaft, the propeller rotate. Camshaft, it is used to operate the valves, okay, or valves. Like valves, how it operate? The camshaft will provide the power to the rocker arm, and rocker arm will as a tapeting mechanism, spring mechanism, will operate the valves of the piston engine, and the fuel air mixture will occur mixing in the piston engine. Now piston engine ignition system, like a magneto. It is a very important circuit for box. It is like a box, electrical box, which is used to supply the electric current to the spark plug in the piston engine. Piston engine में क्या होता है, spark plug होता है. Jet engine, in the case of jet engine, there is a igniter plug and spark plug difference is what? Igniter plug operates at a very higher voltage, whereas spark plug operates as a lower voltage. Igniter plug, we not need a continuous ignition. We not use a continuous ignition or continuous supply. In a spark plug, we need a continuous electrical supply from the magneto, and sparking occur at continuously. Okay, this is the difference between igniter plug and the spark plug. Okay, now I am discussing about the piston engine. Piston engine consists of like a spark plugs, intake, exhaust, compression. ठीक है. Now this is your TDC, top dead center. Now BDC, sorry, and this is one TDC, top dead center. Now intake, exhaust, there are 4 pistons. A piston engine consists of a piston engine, piston rod, piston pin, which is used to connect your crankshaft, and piston. So this is the piston pin. Okay, now the most important critical parameter of a piston engine is cylinder head temperature. अगर आपका cylinder head temperature, if your cylinder head temperature will be higher, then it can cause the damage to the piston engine. Okay, so now I am discussing about the video of the piston engine system, that is induction system. Induction मतलब किसी को आना, पहली बार जो आता है आना, intake करना. In short, we can say intake. Okay, like in the aircrafts, we can see on the bottom of the aircraft there are some doors, flapper type doors. Flapper type door, why? Mechanism is made to prevent the ingestion of FOD. जो FOD अंदर ना आए, इसीलिए हम flapper door लगाए जाते हैं. ठीक है, flapper type fuselage के नीचे लगा हुआ रहता है. It is located between the below of the fuselage. Now the flapper type door, as it opens, the air enters. What enters? The air enters to the carburetor and filter. Their purpose is for removing the foreign object damage, filtering the air. So air will enter and it will enter to the carburetor and filter, and then it will enter to your system. There are two types of carburetor, updraft carburetor and downdraft carburetors. Okay, we will discuss on later video. So this is about the induction system. Okay, now pressurizing system. What are the two pressurizing system in piston engine? Turbochargers and supercharger. Supercharger, turbocharger. Turbocharger is driven by your exhaust gas of the turbine. Turbine के exhaust gas से turbocharger drive करते हैं. Supercharger is driven by the compressed air. Okay, so these are maintaining the cabin pressurization. The turbocharger, supercharger, it has your impeller that is rotating a very high speed, the fan which is rotating high speed, intake, outlet, okay, and shaft mechanism. So this is about the pressurizing system of the piston. Why we need to keep the pressurizing system? The pressurizing, like outflow valve is there to prevent excessive pressure built up, and safety relief valve. Okay, to maintain the pressurization, that is in outside cabin pressure and inside cabin pressure should be equal. Outside means atmospheric pressure and your inside cabin pressure should be equal, so that the cabin decompression should not occur, so the fuselage should not get squeezed and it can cause damage to the aircraft. Okay, so this is all about the piston engine systems and its component and its system. I will discuss about the fuel system on the later chapter. Thank you so much. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel. With love, peace and harmony. Take care.